All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the general documentation. So we have PEP index, Python videos, and then developer's guide. Okay. So index of Python enhancement proposals, PEPs, you have a long list of PEPs. Okay. That's a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to scroll down just so you can kind of see, and I'm going to page down so you can kind of see all the different things that are on here and how much it takes for a great program like this, programming language like this to work. You need a lot of authors and a lot of people, a lot of contributors to make it work. Okay, so I'll just scroll up here. And it was last modified yesterday. So there you go. All right, so I'm going to close that. Now we have Python videos. So latest talk. So they call this Py video. So they have a variety of content here. And these were done in July. Okay. So these are on different topics. You can also go to Pycon, which is in April of this year. It was in April of this year. And Pycon for 2019 was in May, and then 2018 was in May. So my guess is because of COVID, they probably did it in a different time. But generally, Pycon is in May, okay, or June. So they change it around. So I don't really know their schedule. I shouldn't speak on that too much. But this is great information because it has kind of an overview or a archive of Pycon every time that they are uploading videos and whatnot. You can jump right here and take a look at their videos. Okay, and again, you can get this right from Python videos in the documentations. Okay, so when they update for 2021, it'll pop up here and you'll be able to see it. And they archive it really nicely with breadcrumbs here so you can grab whatever year you want and then go over what they're talking about. But for the latest information on Python, you want to do it from here because this was done in April, and these are people that really know what they're talking about. All right, so I'm going to close that. And then we're going to talk about the Python Developer's Guide. Okay, so this is a quick reference and basic steps to get set up and contribute a patch. Okay, so I'm not going to dive into this. I'm just going to kind of glance over it because this is way above and beyond what we've talked about so far. So I don't want to confuse you. And basically what this is you have a quick reference, quick links. We have status of Python branches, contributing, proposing changes to Python itself, other interpreter implementations, key resources, additional resources, code of conduct, and then full table of contents. Now, when we're done with this course, you're going to understand a lot of this. Okay, it will not be this confusing. You'll be like, I don't know what you're talking about. Exactly. But when we dive into Python itself and we get to know it and we get familiar, this is going to make a lot more sense. Okay, so that's general documentation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.